Alright, hello, welcome to something a bit different. It's currently Friday the something of October. What's the day? The 18th, it's the 18th, and it's EGX weekend. I'm going Saturday and Sunday, but I'm travelling today to meet Kezza-c, Lou951 and Kezza-c. What about ye? So I'm going to kind of do a bit of a vlog. I'm not very good at vlogs, it's probably going to be a terrible video. But, you know, you have to watch it. Watch it. Go on. Look at that sandwich. Oh, I made a sandwich. Alright, hello. Welcome to the cable car. There's a Kezza.
Oh, don't bite you! Oh no!
And so.
Hello. Oh, that was a bit of a
And me. And we're all gonna die.
She's giving you safety instructions.
Ooh, we get a little presentation as well. It was a better day there.
Oh no, it's already wobbling. Already too high.
You don't need to rock it, it's already
It's actually quite fast.
It's fast, isn't it? Oh. No, it's fast at the beginning. Because it has to get the momentum. Oh, I'm scared already.
Classic!
There's some water.
It is a bit weird going overseas.
That's actually Robert Toy Dock. If you go to where that bridge is,
Like
that's
it.
where the Excel is. The eastern edge of Excel.
Children, calm down. Update on the cable car. I got scared. Oh no.
He's on the floor!
It's really high. Look out there, look.
You're not quite at the top yet.
Oh, look at that shit river. Oh, no. The city.
There's the Golden Syrup Factory! Are you going to stay on here?
Yeah.
Alright, bye Sam.
Well, that was fun. I'm going home now. Let me out. Ah, well, that was fun.
Because he's scared of heights.
Oh, no, stairs. Ah! Alright, hello. Welcome to Kezza-c's room tour. Here we have a TV. Isn't that lovely? Here's all Kezza-c's naughty drinks, full of alcohol as always. There's a naughty Kezza-c on his bed. That's not a very good look. Here we see the naughty Garfield who got some action last night.
Yeah, he's got first.
Upside down, the silly
Yeah.
man. Here's some tea. Would you like some twinings?
Yeah.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. There you go.
No wonder I don't touch that stuff.
Would you like some milk? There's some sugar. That's being silly, right? Kettle. Here's the toilet with a big shit in. Lovely. Today is Saturday the 19th of October, our first day of EGX, which we're very much looking forward to.
No, we're not.
Oh, well, Kezza-c's not looking forward to it. He's going to sit in the hotel all day because
Yeah.
he doesn't want to come with us.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have a look at our lovely view. We've got a view of a tree, a building, and a road.
Better than Romford.
Oh no! Shade at Romford. But yeah, we're only on the first floor, so we don't get much of a view. But yes, that was our room.
Could be worse. Could have planes fly right over us.
Yeah, Lou and Kezza's room is just planes all the time, so... Right, here we have Spoon. And here we have Spoons. Oh no. Right, we're now going to go off to see Lou and Kezza. Let me guess, they're going to be naughty. Oh no. Oh no, it's Lou and Kezza's room. Can I clean your room?
What do you want?
I want some Maltesers. I got a young man with me, he's lost.
Yeah.
What's going on down here? Naughty. Ah, no. Ooh, we're allowed in. Ah, this is Lou and Ke- Oh, it's a mess.
Hi!
Oh, no. And here we have some of Kezza's silly island snacks. It's a bread! Oh no! Kezza's not made a cup of tea in her glass. Oh dearie me. Right. Lou's fallen asleep again. Well, quite a nice night's sleep. And I'll see you at the arena thing. Bye! Alright, hello, welcome to the EGX arena. As you can see, there's lots of things going on, lots of games. Here's Lou and Kezza walking and talking about nonsense. Dearie me, so many games to play, what to play first? Untitled Goose Game, of course, play that. Alright, hello, we've got the whole gang together. There's Kezza.
What about you?
No, Lou's over there buying fudge or something, I don't know. But yeah, look at this thing. Ooh, fudge.
Stay in tune.
Hello. Leave me alone.
And Zarek's playing Whatever That Is.
It smells of shit.
Your shit.
I know.
Oh no, Lou has a big gun. Oh no, Lou, don't shoot me with your big gun. Oh no, she's dangerous, shooting everyone all the time. How dare she? Oh, look at her, shooting those innocent civilians as always. Naughty Lou. And here we see the Kezza and the Lou playing some theme hospital. Lovely, but I'm sure they're not better than me. All my hospitals run very well and almost nobody dies, apart from almost everyone dies. Yeah, it's really cool that you can play the original at EGX.
Alright, hello.
Oh, don't ruin the start! The bed's a bit wobbly. Alright, hello. Welcome to Lou's bed. We have me in the bed. It's a bit wobbly. We've got Lou. We've got Sarah.
I'm on the bed.
And we've got Sarah.
Hello.
And
Tally ho.
got Kezza under there. I don't know if you could see her in that, but I hope you can. There she is.
Hooray.
That's what we get up to in the bed. Alright, hello. Welcome to Sunday the 20th of October, last day of EGX with me, Kezza on the bed,
What about you?
Sam,
Tally ho, me mates.
and Lou over there.
Ahoy.
And Zarek's somewhere, probably taking a big shit again. He's been on the toilet all weekend. But yeah, we're in Lou and Kezza's room. Oh no.
Tally ho, me mates.
We ate a lot of pizza last night. It was alright. I was gonna say shit. That would have been rude. And Kezza got this weird green goo. I still do not know what that is. Any ideas what this might be? There's a man on TV talking stuff. I don't know who he
Fun
is.
fact, that is Vince Cable, and he is the Member of Parliament from my home city.
And here we have Vince Cable, which I already knew, obviously. I'll see you at Sunday's Comic Con. No, the AGX thing. I don't know the words, I'm asleep. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, hello!
I'm vlogging.
Sam's
Hi.
vlogging me, vlogging him.
Yeah, but shut the ass fuck up because it's Pokemon. Oh no! I'm.
There's Denny's lovely hat.
Yeah, which was very, very complimentary, guys.
That's how passionately I feel.
I just have to ask.
Oh, don't say take.
What?
You'll set me
Hello.
off.
I know.
Hello.
He also has Tourette's.
Hooray!
You're just kidding
We
me.
have a lot in common.
It's so rare actually meeting someone with dreads.
Almost in.
Oh no, Sam's on the chin.
What? Leave my double chins alone.
Don't record me being out of place.
Wait, who's
No, I'm good at Mario Kart. This is a bad example.
I'm at the bottom.
I've never.
Ah!
I've never played.
Again.
Fuck! Oh god.
This is terrible.
This is so hard. How do you skid? Why is she so slidey?
I'm stuck on the wall.
How many laps are there?
And here we see Sam's great driving skills. Oh no, oh dearie me, he's crashed again. Oh no, worse than Zarak. Meanwhile, kids build a lovely hospital. Oh no, everyone's got flu, everyone's got Lou flu. Oh no, everyone go home. I'm zooming on Sam's face.
Oh shit, I crashed because I was pulling a face.
Oh dearie me.
On my way, bitch.
Alright, welcome to Racing with Zarak. What could possibly go wrong? Zarak's the best driver in the world. Oh, he's going into this corner a bit fast. Oh, dearie me. Another collision for Naughty. Oh, no, he's just bumping into everyone. Naughty Zarak. I thought he was great at driving. But yeah, this is the new grid game. And here we have Zarak showing off how great he is at it. Lovely. I think he's in first place, apart from everyone else in front of him. And here we have Sam the Goose. Ah, what a naughty goose. Here's another naughty goose. Alright, so it's Sunday and I've not really vlogged anything, but there's Zarak. Oh, no, Zarak's just died again. And I'm just terrible at vlogging, so I don't know, see you probably when I'm home. Oh no, Lou and Chris are now playing Left 4 Dead. Lou's gonna get eaten.
Fucking ready for me to die a lot? I'm bad at this
No.
game.
Nobody's allowed to die.
Am I?
You might find me a locker later. I'm probably gonna die a lot.
Don't get bitten.
Yeah, okay. Cool, dead.
Oh, I'm walking through him.
Let's go. Make sure you get your health back, and I'm gonna run.
Oh, Chris is on. Bye, Lou. Alright, oh no. Lou, Chris and Kezza are leaving us. So say goodbye to Lou. And to Chris.
Goodbye. I was here too.
Yes, you was.
Yeah.
You was in plenty of my vlog, probably. Depends how I edit
But
it.
it's
I'll
good,
edit you
it's
out.
fun.
And we're saying goodbye to Kezza-c.
Bye, guys.
And we met up. Hello. Yeah, he's back. There he is.
It means to say bye.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Bye to.
you might be in more of the vlog, so who knows?
Okay.
And Zarak's still here.
I'm still here, yeah.
There he is. I'm still here. This vlog's gonna be shit.
Alright.
Yeah, shut up, Sam's stomach. Alright, goodbye. It's been a lovely weekend at EGX. We've currently got just me, Smackers, Zarak. Hello. We're going to have a quick threesome, then I'm going home. Lovely.
I'm doing my pants already.
Oh no. Sam's reading the Bible. That's his bedtime story. But yeah, been a lovely weekend. Lovely to meet everyone that I've met before, along with Chris and Ryan as well. Yeah. And various other people that I might have just bumped into and pushed over and stuff. But yeah.
Random strangers
I
that
found
I've played games with.
I found our verse.
Oh yeah.
Israel without weapons. Not reading that.
Okay.
Wow, shit. Top 10 Bible verses, not that one. Alright, anyway, bye. Wave goodbye.
Goodbye. Why not reading the Bible? Bye.
Right, yeah. And that's the end.